If you're having issues installing the SetupVPN app and need to do it manually, there are a few steps, but don't worry, it's all very simple. First, just come to SetupVPN.com, click Download, and come to the Chrome Alternative Download link. We'll grab the latest version here. Then come to that file in our default downloads folder. We'll add the zip file extension, extract it to its own folder, open it, and then delete this metadata folder. Now, back in the Chrome browser, we'll come to Extensions, turn on Developer Mode, and just drag and drop that entire folder into the Chrome browser. And now the SetupVPN extension should be up and running in your browser.